As I read through each question on alloys, I'm going to give you a chance to pause the video so you can have a go for yourself before continuing and checking your answer. So question 1, what is an alloy? An alloy is a mixture of a metal and at least one other element. So remember, that could be two different metals mixed together, or it could be a metal and a non-metal mixed together. Question 2. Calculate the percentage of carbon in the following alloy. So one way you could work it out is to count the number of carbon atoms, which is 4, count the total number of atoms, which is 20, and 4 divided by 20 times 100 comes to 20%. Or the other way is to visualize if you had 100 atoms rather than 20, there's 5 times the amount. So you just count the number of carbon atoms, which is 4, times it by 5, and you still get 20%. Question 3. Why is steel a better choice for building a bridge than pure iron? So we're going to use the diagrams to help us, and pure iron is too soft because the atoms are all the same size, so they can slide past each other. If we look at the diagram for steel, we can see in steel there are different sized atoms, which distorts the layers so the atoms cannot slide past each other, and that's what makes it stronger. The words that I've put in blue are what you get your marks for in an exam question. If you found this video useful, please remember to give it a like. Thanks for watching.